PPC stands for pay per click, which is a model of internet marketing where you pay for clicks to your product. PPC will help you get additional sales, and it is great for helping you rank on particular keywords because you can target those specific keywords, and then all the sales that you get on that keyword will improve your ranking for it. There are three types of PPC campaigns on Amazon, but I am just going to focus on the most common one and what we have found to be the most effective, and that is sponsored product ads. These are the ads that appear at the top and the bottom of the search results page, as well as in the product carousel on the product detail page. They appear on Amazon on desktop, mobile, and the app. You are charged every time someone clicks on your ad, not when your ad is displayed. PPC ads are based on either the keywords that Amazon thinks are relevant or keyword list that you have come up with. So before you run these campaigns, make sure you have done proper keyword research. There are two types of campaigns, automatic and manual. Automatic campaigns are the easiest to set up and therefore a great place to start. In this campaign type, you are allowing Amazon to decide which keywords to display your ad for. Manual campaigns take a little bit more work to set up because in this campaign type, you select the keywords to target. However, this of course gives you more control over your advertising and the ability to fine-tune these campaigns. Let me now show you how to set up an automatic campaign, which is a great place to start with your Amazon advertising if you are a beginner. Begin the process from Seller Central, click on Advertising, Campaign Manager, next click on Create Campaign. Start by giving your campaign a name. For now you will just call this automatic. Targeting under portfolio, select your product or create a new portfolio and name it with your product. Here you can set an end date if you want, but I typically leave these running. Next, you set your daily budget. If you have the money, I would recommend about $50, otherwise start at $20 or $30 per day, but keep in mind that your budget may not last the entire day. Here select automatic targeting. Next is where you pick your campaign bidding strategy. For automatic campaigns, I would recommend dynamic bids up and down. A fixed bid refers to the maximum amount that you are willing to pay for a bid. A dynamic bid up and down means that Amazon will adjust your bid higher if they think you have a good chance of getting a conversion, or they will adjust it down if they think you have a poor chance of getting that conversion. Dynamic down bids only means that they will only adjust it down and not up. Now create an ad group. For now let's just call this automatic. Here you select the product that you want to advertise. Now select your default bid. Remember, this is the maximum amount you would be willing to bid, not necessarily the entire amount that you will spend. You can utilize Amazon's suggested bid, and I would recommend, if you have the budget, to go with the higher end of this range. The last section here is to set up negative keyword targeting. This is an optional step where you pick any keywords that you don't want to show for. For example, if you are advertising drinking glasses, you might want to make sure that you don't show up for eyeglasses. Otherwise, you can just leave this section blank, click launch campaign, and you are all set. Now creating a manual campaign is a very similar process.